back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting in a 24-inch Nightlight LED light bar, which I will link to in the description below on Amazon. And if you buy it from that link, I will get a small commission, and that'll help support my channel. So every little bit helps, guys. But we'll be installing this light bar. I already hooked it up to an old battery just to make sure it worked. I also bought the Nightlight wiring harness. This is the one with the red toggle switch here. So that's what we're going to be using to hook it up to. And here is the Nightlight mounting bracket. So everything, I figured I'd do everything Nightlight. These here are just like the bar clamp mounting brackets is what they're supposed to be. So I'll dig all these parts out of here, then we can actually get a look at them. I haven't even looked at them yet. Yeah. So these are your bar mounts here. This is the other half for them. So I am going to try and get this all wired up on the four-wheeler. Thinking about mounting it right in here somewhere, just behind the rack. But I gotta see if the mounting brackets are gonna work, or if that placement is gonna work. Otherwise it might have to go in front of the rack, which I really don't want. And then the switch, I gotta find where I want to place the switch. I want to place it up here somewhere on the side, or maybe back in here somewhere. But we'll see. I kind of like it if the light bar can stay behind here. Then it's nice and protected for going through the brush and everything. I'm going to run this wire probably underneath the rack and then in through up under here back to the battery and everything, so everything's nice and concealed and tucked away. Okay guys, just kind of a quick update here. So to mount it, I'm just going to use the stock brackets that came with the light bar, and I'm attaching this one through these. I undid the top rack, but I'm just going to attach this, put a bolt up through the bottom with a washer so the bolt can't come through, of course, on the bottom side. And then I'm using two washers on the top side, kind of a bigger one, and then the little one on top. And then I'm just going to mount the bracket here, and then I'll attach the light bar to this piece here. So that's my plan for now, so we'll see how that works out. Alright, quick look here. I got my two leads that go to the battery right here. I got the relay right here. I'm just going to hook that in along a frame rail somewhere, I believe, hook these up to the battery. I ran my wire for the lights right along the frame rail here, right here, this black wire on the inside right there. Came up over here, and then I fished it through up front here, right up through here. Mine had two sets of leads with it, so I just electrical taped off the one ends and then just tied it up right here. So I might use those other ends for my low beams. Eventually I might switch out my low beams with LEDs too. We'll see how the light bar goes. But right now I got to get these hooked up to the connector on the light bar. So I just need to put on a couple electrical connectors and get them connected. Alright guys, so I just used my hole punch drill right here, which was pretty much the same size as the back of your switch here. And then now I just ran my cord through the hole. I'm gonna fish it down through by the handlebars down inside there. Gonna come out up front here and then run it alongside the same way I did alongside the frame and connect it in. So yeah, once you got that done, all you do is slide this in, and these little tabs will click into place, and that's where your switch will be mounted. So I just gotta get that buttoned up, and then screw my relay down somewhere on here, maybe over here, maybe inside the frame here, and then put everything back together, and then we'll see what it looks like. Just about done. Alright, so I'll take the snowplow off here, and then I'm going to take this out at nighttime and show you the difference between low beam, high beam, And then with the new Nightlight 24-inch LED light bar. So anyway, yeah, got all the wires tucked up underneath there. Put the switch right here for on and off. Then just ran the other wires right under here. I screwed the relay in right under here to the frame rail. So that's where the relay is at. But alright, we'll get you guys a look at everything. Oh, and one other thing, I had to undo these bolts on the back here. 1, 2, and 3, and take the light bar off in order to screw my rack back down, because the bolts to hold my rack down, if you look, you can't get to them with the light bar mounted. So once I had everything wired up, I had to undo that light bar, just kind of tip it up so I could put the rack on first and put the light bar back on. Minor inconvenience, but that's what always happens when you're wrenching on stuff. Alright guys, this is low beam, stock low beams on here. And there's a yellow sign which you can see right off to the right up there. It's just barely lit up. So now I'll go to high beam. There you can see high beam, the yellow sign is lit up. Now I'll go back to low beam and then turn on just the light bar. There's the low beam and light bar. So that's low beam with the light bar. So now that's low beam. That's completely off. And then here's all light bar. That is just pure light bar right there. Look at how bright that is. Only thing about mounting it behind the rack, completely honest guys, is that reflection right there. Holy cow, is that bright. It's reflecting off the metal. I might have to get some kind of like a cover metal piece to kind of block that or something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, these the light bars actually lighten up the stop sign, not this sign, but that other one way up there. Alright guys, so this is high beam. There is a stop sign way up there. Let's see how well it's lit up. If I zoom in, there it is up there. Trying to hold this still. There it is there. So now watch when I do the light bar how bright that is. I'm gonna zoom back out for you. Now we'll go turn all of them off and we'll do the light bar. Now look how bright that stop sign is. Light bar gives way better output. Way better. I'll do a walk around here for you in a second. Alright, this is the light output from just the low beam. Walking about 10 feet in front of the four-wheeler. That's light output from low beam. I'll switch to highs. That's high beam. So now on these older Polaris' a high beam, it just switches to the top light on there, which I see we got some rain coming down. So, but that's all it is. I'm 10 feet in front. The camera doesn't want to focus, but just that single beam. So now if I do the light bar, look at that. Telling you what, this is so much better. It's ridiculously a lot better. Look at how far down the road you can see now. And yeah, looking at it, I gotta be sure to turn that off, otherwise I am definitely gonna blind some people. I know it's not focused right now, but man, oh man. That bugger is so bright. Alright guys, there she is, finished product with the light bar all installed on it. That bugger is bright. There we go. Yeah, that thing is crazy bright, guys. Looks really nice though. The only thing I don't like on it, complete transparency here, is the way, you see how it reflects off of here? It reflects off of this tube and kind of shines back at you that way. So if I can get something just to kind of block it like that, but we'll see. Put my hands on it, see the red right through my hands. But yeah, pretty good upgrade. Definitely happy about it. You can see the little red switch where I mounted it. Right there, my little toggle. Definitely worthwhile, guys. If you think you want one, check the link down below in the description. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys appreciate the videos. Hope you like them, and stay tuned for more in the future. Give me your comments on it. Let me know what you think.